Creality Ender 3 3D printer fully open source is a popular and affordable 3D printer that is known for its ease of use and reliability. It is a great option for beginners and experienced users alike. Open source. The Ender 3 is an open source 3D printer, which means that the design files are available for anyone to use and modify. This allows users to customize their printer to their specific needs. Large build volume. The Ender 3 has a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, which is large enough to print a variety of objects. All-metal frame. The Ender 3 has an all-metal frame that is sturdy and durable. V-slot wheels. The Ender 3 uses V-slot wheels to move the print bed and extruder, which allows for smooth and precise movement. Teflon tube. The Ender 3 uses a Teflon tube to feed filament to the extruder, which helps to prevent jams. Removable print bed. The Ender 3 has a removable print bed that makes it easy to remove prints. The Ender 3 performs well in all areas. It is capable of printing high-quality objects with good detail and accuracy. The printer is also relatively easy to use, even for beginners. Pros: open source, large build volume, all-metal frame, face-lift wheels, Teflon tube, removable print bed. Cons: can be noisy, may require some assembly. The official Creality Ender 3 3D printer fully open source is a great option for anyone looking for an affordable and reliable 3D printer. It is a good choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Get it with a discount on Amazon, link in the description.